Hey guys, Chris from OZ Canopies of 4x4 here again, your favourite four-wheel drive presenter, right? With all the attitude in the world. What attitude could I have at 8:40 in the morning? Anyway, what do we got? We've got a brand new Hilux SR. How do I know it's an SR? It's got these hooks on the side of the tub, and you open the tailgate with the two hooks, right? It's a quick way to know, also known as the J-Deck designation in international markets. Only in Australia and New Zealand do we call these ones Workmates or SRs. Everywhere else in the world, SR5s are known as A-Decks. They've got the smooth tub, and then these ones are known as J-Decks. They've got the hooks on the side, but anyway, I digress. We are going to get a steel canopy fitted on this one today. To do that, what we do is we cut this headboard down, right? We get the seals on, assembly, fitment, and also on top of that, the guys are going to get a tradesman rack fitted as well, so the gentleman can carry up to 2.5. Well, you can probably carry a lot longer lengths than that, but nice long legs, and it's going to be very useful. Why? Because the steel canopy's got up to 300 kilograms loading capacity. Anyway, all of that aside, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, Chris again from OZ Canopies and 4x4. We've got it done and dusted. You can see it comes up real nice. You know what, I really like these Hilux SRs because everything else is so goddamn high. Makes it easy to demonstrate. So what do you got? The 2 push locks on either door. All right, just get it, pull it, and then you can see just how much access that you can get. Now, put this phone on silent, all right. Other than that, guys, we've also got the tradesman rack that we fitted on there. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, 300 kilograms loading capacity. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, yada, yada, you know the usuals, right? And we'll see you guys on the next one.